Attention to detail, elegance, and originality are qualities that define each of our products. We start by understanding the customer's vision and working with them to ensure that the result exceeds expectations. In other words, we work with you to turn bold ideas into reality. Epoxy can work wonders when it comes to interior design, and our products are clear proof of that statement. At Gaia's Workshop, you'll find high-quality epoxy furniture, the innovative material that allows you to explore your creativity through unique flooring and furniture designs. The solutions offered by our workshop will help you transform your home into a unique and outstanding space through detail and quality. The final product is unique because it combines our expertise and experience with the vision and ideas of the customers who may have additional requirements in terms of design and materials used. From elegant tables and kitchen countertops to cabinets and wall art, our team will work with you to create bespoke designs using epoxy resin as the base. We create attractive designs for the dining room, living room, home office, kitchen, bathroom, and hallway. In addition to homes, we also offer custom designs for your business. If you have coffee shop, restaurant, hotel, or any other business, we can work together to create unique designs that will make you stand out from the crowd. Passion and skill are reflected in every item that leaves the Gaia Workshop and reaches people's homes. We have been bringing the charm and beauty of nature into people's homes since 2014, when Gaia's Workshop was founded. Our unbridled creativity and commitment to high-quality standards is what we stand for.